What if I told you the only thing standing between you and the life you want is the way you think? Not your background, not your money, not your luck, your mindset. And the crazy part? Most people never fix it. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to grow your mindset, step by step, so you can unlock a completely different version of your life. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because this might be the video that changes everything for you. Let's start simple. Your mindset is the way you see the world and yourself in it. It's that voice in your head that says, I can do this, or I'm not good enough. There are two types of people. People with a fixed mindset, people with a growth mindset. A fixed mindset says, I'm either talented or I'm not. A growth mindset says, I can improve anything with effort and learning. And that one belief, it changes everything. Here's the truth nobody tells you. People don't fail because they're not capable. They fail because they quit too early. Why? Because their mindset tells them, this is too hard, I'm not ready, what if I fail? So they stay in their comfort zone. But growth never happens in comfort. It happens in discomfort. If it feels hard, you're doing it right. Change your self-talk. Listen carefully to how you talk to yourself. Instead of, I can't do this, say, I can't do this yet. That one word, yet, creates possibility. Embrace failure. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. Every successful person you admire failed more times than you can imagine. So stop asking, what if I fail? Start asking, what can I learn? Surround yourself with growth. Your environment shapes your mindset. If you're around negative people, you'll think negatively. If you're around ambitious people, you'll grow faster than ever. Choose your circle wisely. Feed your mind daily. What you consume becomes your thoughts. Read books. Watch educational content. Listen to podcasts. If you don't feed your mind, the world will fill it with negativity. Take action, even when you don't feel ready. This is the most important step. You will never feel 100% ready. Start anyway. Confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop focusing on outcomes. Start focusing on becoming better. Instead of saying, I want to be successful, say, I want to grow every day. Because success is just a byproduct of growth. Let me be honest with you. This is not easy. There will be days when you feel stuck. Days when you want to quit. But those are the days that matter the most. Because discipline is what separates winners from everyone else. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. But watching this video is not enough. You have to apply it. So here's your challenge. Do one thing today that your old mindset would avoid. Just one. And come back tomorrow and do it again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Because your future depends on what you do next. Grow your mindset.